My name is Andrew Jutras. I am a junior at Purdue University, Indianapolis, and I'm studying motorsports engineering and mechanical engineering. So I got introduced to Verus when Eric actually came and talked to one of my classes. So in my program, we have a class that's dedicated to building relationships and connections with people in industry. My journey here at Verus Engineering, it started by being an R&D tech. So I started here working on cars and helping do installation videos, manuals. From there, I then moved into a design and manufacturing internship over the summer. So I did that for the summer. So I did a little bit of design. I got to design a product and release it. That was really cool. I got to learn how to operate CNC machines. And then after the summer, I've kind of moved back into the shop and I've more taken over the polyweave roles. So I'm doing a lot of the deburring of polyweave and packaging, assembling that, and getting it ready to get shipped out. So Verus has prepared me for the next steps in my journey by giving me a lot of exposure to manufacturing engineering here and also the behind the scenes of running a business. So where I want to go with my career is I want to be a design engineer. And so I got exposure to that through my internship here over the summer where I did design and manufacturing engineering. But on top of that, it's taught me a whole lot about different manufacturing techniques because here we use all sorts of stuff, whether it's CNC, it's laser cut, it's router, 3D printed. There's all sorts of ways that we can make things. And so it's gotten me in a mindset of there's more than one way to make a part. So it's cool to see all of those different ways of manufacturing come together. And then also assembly, thinking about how things go together, thinking about how customers interact with it, making sure that it's pretty for them, it's easy to work on, it's maintainable. If there are things that could be replaceable or wear down, that we include extras of those or that we build in future support to replace those parts. So altogether, it's really come together to give me an idea of what I'm going to be designing for, things I should take into consideration in the design process, and things that'll set whatever I'm designing it for. A lot of companies, when you buy products from them, you buy the product and that's it. It's really cool to see in our meetings, Eric will bring up recent progress results. So customers that we're working directly with to build aero kits for and build solutions for their cars, it's cool to see them give us feedback and we get to share the feedback with the team. So whether that's Pike Peaks builds, it's time attack cars, things like that, it's cool to see the feedback from those drivers and actually celebrate wins as a company when we produce something and they get to go and they win their class with it, with our parts. It's really cool to see. And it's something that I don't think a lot of companies put out there. So it's cool to see that we get to celebrate our products with the people that we produce them for.